Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we draw A, the alphabet of A. The next one is B. And now we draw C. C for cow, C for cat. Kids, the next one is D. And now we draw E. The next one is F. Now we draw G. G for got. H. Now we draw I and the next one is J. Kids, now we draw K. And the next one is L. Now we draw M. Now we draw N. O. Now we draw P. Q. The next one is R. Now we draw S. The next one is T. Now we draw U. Now we draw V. And the next one is W. Now we draw X, Y, and the last one is Z. Now we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1. The next one is 2. Now we draw 3. And the next one is 4. F-I-V-E, 5. Now we draw the number of 6. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Now we draw 8. And the next one is 9. And the last one is 10. T-E-N, 10.